In Uganda, when we say Mkwagala, that means I love you.
Oh!
Mkwagala.
Yeah, Mkwagala.
Mkwagala nyo. Wamulambez.
No, you don't know Wamulambez. Boda traffic. I'm Damaris Jenga, and nothing excites me more than traveling and exploring a new country. I brought you on my journey on how I arrived in Uganda, and I'm grateful for Safe Journey Masses. Today I'm excited to go explore the country. Today I am here in Uganda, excited. They call it the Pearl of Africa. I'm yet to do a research and know what that means, but definitely I am excited to explore and to bring to you different things you can come do here, to bring to you my experiences here, and just have fun as we do all these things. Yeah. Using a boda is one of the most common means of transport here in Uganda, especially Kampala, and I had to hop in one and experience that experience. First boda ride in Uganda. Apart from the well-known facts about Uganda being a landlocked country and also hosting the world's largest lake in the world, I was curious and very intrigued in learning that Uganda has been ranked by the Global Entrepreneurial Monitor as the world's most entrepreneurial country. I was mind blown. I had to go out and explore and understand why. So if you don't know, Uganda has so many motorbikes. For sure, there are so many motorcycles in Kampala, and from safe bodas to normal bodas to all those sorts of bodas, some not even categorized. There are so many that I can't emphasize how many motorcycles are in Kampala. Boda traffic. Yo, crazy. I was also curious in understanding why is it the most entrepreneurial country, and I got to know that most of the people here in Kampala and most people in Uganda are not employed. There's a high rate of unemployment, so therefore people end up opening small businesses. That also explains why there are so many motorcycles, and because of that, let's continue with the ride so we can see how many businesses and how entrepreneurial this country is. Hi everyone, see who I met in Uganda.
Yeah.
Now, for those who don't know Mpamire, he's one of the famous actors and comedians in Uganda.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy, like he's one big, I have heard about you a lot. Among the few people I know in Uganda, you're like one big people.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I am here to explore, create content and showcase the beauty of Uganda.
Okay.
What are some things you would encourage me to do here? Like also for people who are viewing and then they'll come to Uganda.
Uganda is a peaceful country.
Uh-huh.
At least you should explore all corners of Uganda. You should go to comedy shows.
Uh-huh.
You should watch some comedy shows. You should go downtown. Downtown is better than uptown. Downtown there is a lot of content. There's a lot.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Also for visitors, not for content creators, for visitors.
Yeah, for visitors, there are many areas. Ugandans themselves are tourist attractions. Yeah, apart from the physical areas, we attract tourists.
Oh, you.
So come to I don't know how I can, but there are many places in Uganda.
For comedy, where do people find you?
Comedy National Theatre.
So National Theatre, any day will people find you
Yes,
there?
yes, I'll always be there.
Okay, and the street quiz, he does street quiz.
Yeah,
if you don't know,
anytime,
he's always teaching us.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, can you teach us one Ugandan? One Ugandan question. You teach me one Ugandan something.
One Ugandan question.
Maybe a statement or a greeting. You teach me, you're the teacher.
Hey, in Uganda, when we say Mkwagala, that means I love you.
Oh!
Mkwagala.
Yeah, Mkwagala.
Mkwagala nyo. Wamulambez.
No, you don't know Wamulambez. You said that in Uganda.
Yeah, for, when I went to Kenya, they told me Wamulambezi Wamnyenyezi means is the national anthem.
What does it mean?
I don't know. That may God help Kenya.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Damaris Jenga. Why am I